Lesson 13 deals with adding 3-digit numbers together. Now, a week ago, we talked about when we add multiple digit numbers together, we always want to, and I'm going to zoom in on this part, we want to start with the ones place first, as you can see here, and then we move from the ones place over to the tens place to the hundreds place. And so what we really focused on with this one is it's a very similar concept to that. So we're just adding another place value to that, which would be the hundreds place. But when we do this, we still just want to make sure that we line up our place values together. So our ones with our ones, our tens with our tens, our hundreds with our hundreds. Now, I did make a note with the kids today that the book tells them, it gives them the example of doing the regrouping down below, but they do highlight here that you can do the regrouping either down below or above. Either one is just fine. I just told them to pick whichever one works best for them, and that would be great. So I just want to jump right into a sample problem. Let's go with this one right here, letter B, 408 plus 243. So if I was doing this one, I'd want to start with my ones place first, which is on the far right. So 8 plus 3 is 11. I'm going to drop my 1. And since my 1 in the tens place is actually a 10, I want to add it to the tens place. So I regroup it and put it up at the top. From there, I want to add my tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. And since I don't have to regroup anything there, I can move straight over to my hundreds place, which is 4 plus 2 equals 6, and my answer would be 651. So this is pretty much a continuation of just a few lessons ago when we were working on regrouping as to introduce the concept. From here, it's just adding 3 digits now. So you'll notice the only difference is just that we have a hundreds place now, and we just keep going. The big thing for fourth graders that we talked about is staying organized, keeping your place values together and making sure you don't accidentally add, your ones place with your tens place. A strategy I recommend, it's not mandatory, but it is something that works for some people, is just drawing some dividing lines in between the place values. That can give you just kind of a little box to work in just to make sure that you are keeping everything together. If you can do that and stay organized without, that's just fine. But really with this lesson, fourth graders just need to focus on organization, 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 and they will be just fine.